Hi there, Melanie from WTI, and do you want to see something super fun and cute?
If you have a special little pet of yours that's got extra energy, needs extra little things to do to keep him busy, or even for training, you really need to try out this pet snuffle mat from Fried Mock. It's about 80 by 49 centimeters, and it's perfect because it also has this anti-slip design at the bottom, and it's super portable, as you can see. Just roll it out, and then the fun starts as you fill in all the little nooks and crannies with all the special little treats and kibbles and bits that your puppy or your cat really look forward to. I love the big colorful flower, and it also has an adjustable smelling bowl that's filled with artificial grass. It encourages the animal to forage naturally. It slows their feeding down, so it's going to help with any kind of digestive problems. It's great for training as well. The squeaker toy makes it even more fun. And I'm also impressed with the fact that this mat is high quality fabric. It's durable and pet friendly. So your puppy is going to feel so comfortable, have so much fun, and I'm sure will quickly become one of their new favorite toys to play with, to eat from, or just to lay around on.
If you're looking for a really cute snuffle mat, I think your pup's gonna love it just like ours did. That's my point of view.